everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a very short and sweet update for you because this is a very short and sweet project. There's only four prompts, four products, and it is open-ended. There's no end date. We're just going to do this for however long we want to. This is a project that I created for Misty and I to work on together. It is open to anyone else that has any desire to join in for this really chill kind of project. There has been a bunch of people that have joined in so far on Instagram as well as YouTube. They're going to be down there in the description box. If I have missed you and you are doing this project, please let me know in the comments and I will add your link to your Instagram account or your YouTube page, channel, whatever. Yeah, down there. There's a bunch of people that have joined in, and I love that people join in because the more the merrier. I truly feel that way, and it makes me happy to see when people join in. All right, so this is something old, something new, something gifted, something blue, and it is just hashtag old new gifted blue, so that's easy to find on YouTube and Instagram. All right, so let's get into this. I have no empties. I kind of wasn't sure if one of them was going to be empty or not, but it's not because it is a lotion, and I have been focused on body butters and that kind of stuff, like the heavier, super duper moisturizing stuff. This is the Adios Warmo lotion. It's going to be done by the next time. I'm going to make sure of it. I was here last time. Now I'm down here. It looks higher because I had it tilted, but yeah, I definitely think that is going to be done by the next update. I was hoping it would be done this update, but you know, it's just not quite moisturizing enough for me this time of year. So yeah. We'll figure that out. My new, I still haven't opened it and used it. This is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes mascara. I thought for sure the mascara that I had been working on would have like given up the ghost by now. It hasn't. So I haven't opened this yet, and you know, I don't want to have like too many mascaras opened. I only have two open right now. The one that I use on my top lashes that I thought was going to be done, but isn't. And then the one I use on my lower lashes. That's going to be here for a while because, you know, the lower lashes don't need a whole lot. So it is what it is. My something gifted, that is the Vanny Cosmetics Pressed Glitter in Parallel Universe. I have used this a couple more times. You can kind of see there's a little disturbance. As much as you can see it in a glitter, I definitely have used it, just not enough. It's glitter. Yeah, I just need to pick up the pace on that. I've been really working hard on my Pan That palettes, and everything else is just kind of, I don't want to say it's backburnered because it's not, but those get used just like randomly here or there, where I'm really focusing on my Pan That palettes and my Beauty A to Z eyeshadows. So yeah, I need to spend some more time loving on that glitter because it is so pretty. There's like a curl, but like right in my face. All right, it's got to go. All right, and the something blue, I have the Rada Argan Oil. I have only used a few drops since last time, so it's just barely below this red line, which was from last update. It just wasn't enough usage to actually make a new line. I think what I'm going to do, because I would like to use this lotion up, get it done so I can roll something else in, but it's not moisturizing enough, I might put a little bit of the argan oil into this lotion, make it that much more moisturizing because it has like a pure oil in it, which is very skin nourishing, and kind of kill two birds with one stone, or at least slightly abuse one bird and kill another, if you know what I mean. I know it sounds horrible. The phrasing of things, you know how it is. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try to get this used up with the addition of a little bit. It's not going to take a lot, but I'll put a little bit of that argan oil and make it more appropriate for my skin this time of year. I'm freezing right now. Mother Nature, she's on a roller coaster, and we need to get her on some level ground because I need some heat in my life. It is officially spring. I want it to be warm. Is that too much to ask? Apparently. All right, definitely go check out Misty. She is down below along with everyone else that has joined in. I put actual links, even if it's not to a YouTube page, if it's to Instagram, I actually put a clickable link in there if you want to go check out everyone that has joined in so far. If you have joined in and I have not found you, and did not put you in my description box, let me know, please, and I will get you in there so everyone else can find you. And if you want to join in, we would love to have you on this painting journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.